Hello from Gloomy Tuesday. It's a rainy, drizzly day in Menomonee Falls. Actually, I'm in Wauwatosa today at the Goodwill here, and let's go see what we can find. This Goodwill is probably only about 10 minutes from me, and it has some really cool things, so I like to come to it from time to time to mix things up. This piece of art was so good. This was $8 and it was great. Things with maps do really well and it already sold. This is an original painting. It has a note from whoever made it and gave it to their parents. That already sold. And this sweet little piece is from Hobby Lobby, but it's adorable. I'm off to a pretty hot start with the art. This is very touching, but not something that I can sell in my shop. I had these cuties in my cart for a while, but I put them back at the end because I ended up finding a lot of other stuff I liked better. This is the Goodwill that does not allow you to take your cart to the car, so I always try to be a little bit cognizant, but it never stops me from filling the cart and probably taking 4 trips with my hands very full. This little cutie was only $5 and it is already sold and shipping out of state. Enjoy, Vanessa. It's so cute. Same with this one. Already sold online. Thanks, Melissa. Never seen one of these before. Definitely an old style bottle, but not as a fish. This is a very cute little tray for a couple of bucks. I can see this selling, but it was a little bit broken, so I decided to put it back. I grabbed 2 of these for I think $4 each, and they will make great decoupage candidates where I make them look like windows with birds or something else very cool in it. Which reminds me, we've got a cabinet door class coming up this week and I still have room, so check it out. Our classes are a great way to take some time for yourself, knock out a project, and improve a skill. Plus they're so fun and affordable. Grab a friend and come spend a couple of hours with us. You will be glad you did. For $1, this is a cute little vase that is very modern and perfect. This faux marble vase will be really good for staging. It's just from Hobby Lobby, but it's going to be good on some of my modern pieces, so it's a pick. I don't want to think about snow at all, but this guy is pretty cute for $3. This little frog had one of those old dusty sachets in him, so we cleaned that out, cleaned him up, and he sold this weekend at Maxwell Street Days. We had a great Maxwell Street Days this weekend, but we are not done yet. I've still got tons of furniture that is marked down drastically, and I'm finding new clearance items to put out on our tables. So we're going to keep going all week. So shop in store, and I've updated the website so the prices on these items are also on the website. Look for the collection mega clearance and have at it, because there's some good stuff in here, you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and liking all the different things that I find for us. Now, if they had all three of these, I would have bought them in a heartbeat, but I did not see the other friends, so we left them there. He looked like he needed to go in my kid area, so he is available, and he's so cute. I'm not buying any lavender because I have plenty for sale. Check out the website. This fern was from Target. It was a little plastic looking, but now that I see it on camera, it does not look bad. Maybe I should have grabbed it. I need another picture, like a hole in the head, but it was, I think, only $1, so I took it. And there's some other metal thing I'm gonna grab for $1 too. I think these will be good decoupage candidates, or maybe even some of the new transfers that we've gotten. I'm thinking the pumpkin mold that we just got in with some salt wash would make these look so adorable with some fall floral. We also have a new stamp and some decoupage paper and some transfers. So make sure to check that out too if you're a maker, or even if you don't want to miss out, because most of these are limited edition. I almost forgot to tell you about Jamie Ray's new stencils. I have a few of them. I've got some sunflowers, some pumpkins, and a couple of other cute ones, and I played with them this week and it already sold. Isn't that sweet? The Main Street is from a different one of her stencils that I had in my stash, so play around. That's also curry milk paint. It's giving me all the fall vibes, which I'm not ready for. I like summer too. Birds always do well, bookends always do well, and metal bookends do really well. So that's the trifecta, and we styled these up and Lori took them home this weekend. I loved this clock, but it had some battery damage and it did not work when we tested it up front, so I passed on it. One of our rustic family members was at the shop shopping and asked if I was the lady who had the shop in Menomonee Falls. So I love it when you guys talk to me, and if you want to be on camera, even better. This guy didn't have a price, so I just decided to leave him there. But I did grab this little Luck of the Irish. I don't know, I thought it was cute. I rescued this guy too, and we'll put him away till spring. This is super cute how somebody just used a plank to make this, but I'm going to turn it into something else eventually because it was only $1. I'm thinking about Christmas already as far as trying to plan for what we're going to do. I am planning to have the biggest rustic Christmas. If you are in the Milwaukee area and you make Christmas ornaments or anything like that, give me a message if you think you might want to be a pop-up shop for me this December. I will only have a few spaces, but I am really getting excited about we have Chris Kindle Market, and I'm getting excited about having a few vendors in and just making it epic. So message me. This star bowl feels perfect for my pine potpourri for Christmas. It makes me excited to bring it out in a few months. I've seen a lot of the big box stores starting to bring out their Christmas, and it makes people frustrated. And I'm with you. I don't go that early. I bring out Christmas right after Halloween is done. So look forward to it then. This tray would be another one for potpourri or to put some greenery in it. This is just a blank slate. And I picked up a blank slate. I had $10 in rewards, and so I spent $68. I thought it was good. What did you think?